Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is IK.
International King, baby. Can't stop and I won't stop.
Macho Man.
That's for you, Kylie Jenner. Let's move into our first hot topic with Michael B. Jordan.
So Michael B. Jordan, he went out and bought someone from the streets, lives in the streets, breathes the streets, and still is in the streets, socks for her first Valentine's gift, and bought the whole aquarium for her. What are your thoughts, IK? And before we get into your thoughts, IK, I just want to say, we don't know how to say this without offending you, Michael B. Jordan, but you are a fool, a goddamn fool.
And Michael B. Jordan, we want to thank you for investing into the International King, because once whatever her name, Lori Harvey, comes across the king, the stocks will be mine. Let's move into our hot topics for today.
You might not understand what we're trying to say right now, but you'll understand in due time when the streets comes back to her. Speaking of Valentine's Day, before we get into our next hot topic, things we do want to speak of. So our She's Hot winner, Demi Rose, was covered in rose petals, nothing but rose petals, for Valentine's Day, and that's what we like to hear for the Valentine's topics.
Rose and gold. Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, Wendy Williams fans are jumping to attack Kevin Hunter because Kevin Hunter and his alleged side chick and girlfriend, exactly.
Thumbs down. And Dr. Ross, I
Queen and Slim.
heard that he was saying they were Queen and Slim. They both died in the end of that film. So Kevin Hunter, that's a bad terminology. Just stop, nigga. Or
Bad
figure,
omens.
I mean to say. But thumbs down for me. Let's
Thumbs
move into
down.
our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, let's go ahead and mention that Olivia Wilde was seen in 4K video moving her bags from Jason's home to Harry Styles' home.
Dr.
Thing you
Ross,
wanna
this
say?
is boring. She needs to hire a mover. Let's move
Exactly.
to our next hot topic.
Before we go into our next hot topic, the thing I want to say is Harry Styles needs to stop carrying those bags like a girl. He was carrying it like this. He needs to stop it.
Well, Dr. Ross, you know he is the sweet girl.
That's true. He, well, allegedly the tender loving, because, you know, we saw his recent thing with his modeling ventures, and he said he's bringing real men back. We don't know about that one,
And
but
Dr. Ross, he's trying to do what he wants to do. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kim Kardashian elevates her cargo pants with booties and this ab-revealing crop sweater.
that is good. We did recently see that Kim Kardashian has been posting recently for her Skims clothing line, which is just butt naked, and she brought out her sister Kendall and her sister Kylie to model for the Skims clothing.
And Dr. Ross, this is the reason why they were all the winners of the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
Because they're all scandalous, money hungry, ruthless, and looking for another figure.
Keep dipping your fingers in that
That's you,
cake,
Kylie.
Kim. That's right. On to our next hot topic. Let's go ahead and mention how Quavo says the release of Migos' long-awaited Culture 3 is now just weeks away. No one cares about your music. The Migos, three amigos need to go and sit down and have some tortilla chips.
You had your time in the limelight, let the king, international king at that, and Dr. Ross take your place. What are some of your latest music videos, though? Let's move into our next and final hot topic with Jennifer Aniston vows or wows in a pink dress while undergoing her hair transformation.
Jennifer Aniston? You know, recently I heard Jennifer Aniston is in an alleged new relationship and that she's allegedly happy. Jennifer Aniston, this is why you are a She's Hot winner, because even though you got your new hairdo done, it looks good. It's something small, but it still makes a big dramatic pop.
But still, Jennifer Aniston, we're glad that you finally got over the Brad Pitt and you're not whining about him on the news 24/7.
We don't know about that. She might still be crying around about Brad Pitt, but the new boyfriend probably told her to stop talking about him.
True. Brad Pitt's been out of the news. We hear that he's going to be in a new film. So Brad Pitt, hook a brother up. These were all of our hot topics, but Dr. Ross and I want to say, with everyone in Texas or any state that is iced right now or iced up, we want to say stay warm and stay safe.
And think smart, though, because we've been hearing a lot of very tragic incidents that have been happening lately since the power outs in Texas and the cold weather. Stay warm, but think smart about it before you go and do things that can potentially harm yourself.
And to everyone who has passed away, Dr. Ross and I, we want to say our hearts and prayers go out to all of their family and their friends.
Exactly.
But to end it off on a higher note, The Rock, stop doing all of these acting roles and stop it with your new TV show. By the way, it's for you, Kylie. Keep wearing those Skims. We out.